Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to wax your board for the first time. That's coming right up. I'm just using West Coast Surf Wax, link in the description. Okay, so I recommend using base coat for the first time, but it's not like essential or anything. So we're just going to slide it out of the packaging, and I'll put this here for a moment. Okay, so we're going to cut it out with a knife, it's just a bit easier. Careful, everyone. Alright, after a few times of trying, I did it. So you have this little base cut and you're going to use a corner, it's just easier. So we're just going to go up to about here, just where your paddling goes, and sometimes you do a bit of a turn, you might land your foot here, and you know, it's just easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the crisscross method. So we're going to go, first we're just going to draw where we want to go from. Now unfortunately you can't really see the wax because it's pretty see-through on the board, this base coat, but yeah, it's the same thing. So we're just going to draw where we want to go from an outline. So yeah, you can't see it on camera, but we're going to draw from about here all the way to here. So we're going to go all the way from here. And we're going to start off with crisscrosses. I'm going to do it this way. Alright, so generally you want to use about the whole half of the block, so I know it seems a lot. And what we're going to do is just going to kind of keep on rubbing it on a little bit, and then we can rub it like this as well in circles with this one. You're just going to apply the wax with circles, the base coat, and you start to see these little beads. So I'll speak to you guys when this is basically starting to come down. Alrighty guys, so I've used a little bit of it, but I'm still going to carry on as much as it hurts my arm and it's exhausting. You're just going to need to keep on applying this base coat until you have the whole half of the block done. Oh, alright, I reckon that's enough now guys. It's when you kind of start to get those beads, actually do a tiny bit more here. Find the areas where they probably need a little bit more wax. So it should look a little bit like this. You've got these little dots areas, and then with a normal surf wax you can just get a surf shot. Just go over every time you go for a surf in circles, round and round on the same area, and then you should be fine, ready to go. And yeah, that's how you wax your board for the first time with the base coat. Go down, and if you want the same wax, vegan, everything, West Coast Surf Wax, base coat and stuff, you can get the normal one there as well. Link in the description. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.